This video will demonstrate how to add games to MadPuck. The first thing you want to do is edit your team. So go into your team and choose Edit from the top right, and then go down to the Home City, Home Arena, Rink, and Dressing Room. And you want to make sure these are set because this will be the defaults for any home games. And save the changes. Next, we're going to go into Games, and from the top right menu, we're going to choose Opponents, and we're going to add an opponent for each team that we'll be playing. So the name, the abbreviation will be shown in the scoreboard. The home city, arena, and rink will be used as default for away games. And choose Add. When creating a game, you'll select an opponent, and this will allow MadPuck to show cumulative player and team stats by opponent. So we're going to go back out to Games. Now we're going to choose from the top right menu Segments. And by default, MadPuck automatically creates 4 segments: Exhibition, Regular, Tournament, and Playoff. And if you like, you can add additional segments. So for example, you might have a segment for each tournament that you're in, and you can associate each game in that tournament with that segment, and you'll get team and player cumulative stats per segment as well. So we're going to go back out to Games. Next, we're going to add a game. So choose Add Game, select the opponent and segment that we created before. If you want to add or edit opponents or segments, choose the Manage buttons below. And this will allow us to have cumulative stats by opponent and by segment. Next, choose the date and time. The location defaults to home and uses the default city, arena, and rink that we created when we edited the team. If we choose away, it'll choose the default values for the opponent. So it's nice and quick to add because we don't have to add those values each time. You can choose the bench. And then next are the game rules. And again, these are from the team defaults. So it always defaults to these values, but you can override them for each specific game. And choose Add. So you can see now that we've set up all of the opponents and segments, adding a game can be done very quickly using all the default values. To change a game later, simply select the game. At the bottom, choose Edit Game and make the changes necessary. We're going to change the segment to an exhibition game. Choose Save and go back out. And you'll notice the colored bar on the left-hand side of the game that indicates the segment that that game is in. So that's how you create a game in MadPuck. Thank you for watching and for your interest in MadPuck, and we'll see you at the rink.